This is Miley Cyrus performing basketball.
Hold up, I got me a competition coming.
Oh, Jesus. No, you don't got no
This is Miley Cyrus playing some basketball.
Watch me dunk this junk. Oh! Your
That shit
turn.
is so flat.
Yes, I know.
My
Don't even
turn.
bounce. Okay, Arcadia. Right.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't bounce.
Bam!
We're too short to
Your
fix
turn.
that.
Heck yeah. Let me demonstrate. When we used to be shorter, which was like a few months ago.
Yeah.
We used to be like,
Come on, ready? I got a competition.
alright girl, come on.
Hold
Bring
on.
it. We used to be like, heck yeah.
Ready?
This shit does not bounce.
Aww.
Yeah, buddy. You want it? Fight.
Come on, my turn. Come on, Molly. I'm Molly's little sister. Hey. Stop. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. No. You had to stand side walk.
Remember this? Yeah, let me get you.
You wanna do it?
Yeah, ready? Go.
Come on.
Do Nate. Do Nate. No, Nate. Turn sideways. No, do Nate. Okay.
Miley, come on.
Okay. John. Finn. Nate.
Wow.
Come on, Miley.
What's up?
Let's play some basketball, Miley.
Do another shoot.
Okay. Boom!
Uh-oh.
One more try.
It's cold.
Oh! Everybody.
Bam!
now. Like.